Okay, so now that we have the image scaled to where we can fit 4 on the background, we need to copy and paste to a floating layer. Whenever you copy and paste an image in GIMP, it creates its own layer called a floating layer. And you can anchor that layer to make it its own layer just by renaming it. So let's select, whoopsie. I think I'm going to scale it just a little smaller just to make sure it fits. A little taller, taller and smaller. Okay. And I'm going to move it down. That should work. Okay. So now we're going to copy and paste this image to a new layer. So select the image and then on your keyboard press Control plus C at the same time. And that's going to copy the image. And then back to your keyboard, press Control plus V now, and it copies or pastes the image to its own floating layer. If you look in your layer panel here, you should see above your mask layer or whatever image that you chose, you should see where it says floating selection and then the name of the layer below. If you double click on the words only on that layer, that new layer, you can delete what's there and type in what you're going to call that layer. We're going to call this layer layer 1. So type in the word layer 1 and then click enter, and guess what? That layer is now anchored. Okay, so that's all for this part of the project.